So, in our previous session, we have seen a concept of retailing, functions of retailing, retail management activities, retail organization structure, so concept relating to retail management. Next, we will deal with drivers of growth in retail industry. How the retail industries are growing day by day. So we know retail industry is one of the fastest changing and vibrant industry which has been contributed to a economic growth. Within every span of a time, Indian retail market is becoming most attractive emerging retail market in the world. So why there is a change in the retail or growth in the retail industry? Because the consumer's taste and preference are changing day by day. That may be change in economic growth, that may be change in demographic profile, that may be change in income level, that is increasing disposable income level of a consumers, change in taste and preference of a consumer, or attraction of consumer towards a particular items or goods. Retail is nothing but inclusion of activities of selling of goods. So goods, where goods are sold. So how there is growth in retail industry? Under that we will see one by one. First one, growth of middle class consumer. In India, the number of middle class consumer is growing rapidly. With rising consumer demands and greater disposable income has made an opportunity for retail industry to grow. The modern retailers offer a wide range of products and value-added service to a consumer. There are different products where the consumers are going attracted to so they buy that product. So middle class consumers are the consumer, those who are highly attracted to FMCG goods, highly demanded with the FMCG goods, the fast moving consumer goods. So middle class level of a people has made an impact for the growth in retail industries. Next one, increasing number of working women. So before it was only a system of a male dominate system. So where women were not let to work, but nowadays as the system has changed, the development process has taken place. The women are earning lot, so this had made an increase in income level of working women also. So when these women are working, their money also they are using for the sake of purchasing a product. There is a growth in retail industry because of this working woman. Next is value of money. So those people, those who are earning, they each and every money is valued on the basis when they are purchasing any product. So retail industry had made an impact on a value of money. How you can see, retail deals in a high volume are able to enjoy economy of large scale production and distribution. So retail is the place where large scale production and distribution aspect takes place. That is elimination or inclusion of distribution channel for the sake of selling the goods. So if you see examples like malls like Big Bazaars, Reliance, so all this leads with the product like discounted product ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, buy one get one free ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. So people or the consumer, those who are going to buy a product, they value their money on basis Wednesday market ಇರ್ತದೆ. You see in a Big Bazaar, there are reasonable rate provided on a particularly on a weekdays or end of the week. So all these offers are provided or given to a consumer. Why? To attract to the retail industry. On by this way, there is a growth in retail industry. Next one, emerging in rural market. Today the rural market in India is facing tough competition in retail sector. As the rural market in India is fast emerging, as a rural consumer are becoming quality conscious. Rural sectors is also developing day by day, because even the rural market have a conscious consumer, those who are going to purchase a product, even they go with the quality conscious, not with the quantity conscious. They are going with the quality product ಅನ್ನು purchase ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. So rural market is also developing. Retail industry is proving that country's largest source of employment after agriculture, which has depended due to huge potential in rural relating organized retailing are developing a new product and strategy to satisfy and serve rural consumer also. So emergence of rural market. Next, entry of corporate sector. Large business tycoons such as Tata's, Birla's, Reliance has entered into a retail sector. They are in the position to provide a quality product and entertainment. We know that there are different cooperative sectors, those who are dealing with the privatized industries. So these type of sector is also developing day by day. I have seen that different corporate sectors had involved for selling a goods or product to a consumers. So Aditya Birladu Pantaloons, they sell apparels. It may be for women, it may be for men's, or it may be for kids. Reliance, they have a showroom related to sandals, showrooms of apparels, showrooms of mobiles. So all the corporate sectors are entering into a market for the sake of selling their product. Next, enter of foreign retailers. Even this foreign sector is catching the interest in Indian market. Due to liberalization, multinational companies has entered into a country to joint ventures and franchising. So these are also boosting a growth in the retail industry. Like if you see foreign franchises like KFC, Pizza Hut, all these are developing or having a demand from the consumers for their products, those which are selling in a Indian retail industry. Next, technological impact. Most formal nowadays, the dynamic factor responsible for growth of organized retailing in introduction of computerization, electronic media and marketing information system. So internet is used by most of us. By this major technological innovation, the organized retailing has been introduced, or it has made a larger impact. So technology basis, if you are going to purchase into market, you use your credit card, you use your debit card for the sake of purchasing. There also in the retail market or retail store ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಟು ಲುಕ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದರ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ that technological way in a retail industry. So technology has also brought, if you have to buy a product, you go for internet, that is online shopping is done. These are all on the basis of technological development or impact of technology on a retail industry. Next, rise in income. As I already said, increasing number of working women as well as women and men both are working. There is a growth in income level of a people. So as a result, increase in income has led to increase in demand. Income ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದಾಗ demand also increases for the better quality consumer goods. Like for example, if you see, if a person want a watch, he may go for 500 rupees watch also. If his income level is more, when his income ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ, he may go for a branded products, like it may cost you 15,000. So watch which is very precious or which is very expensive, such type of product also he can buy. So depending on the income level, the goods have been demanded. Today's people are willing to try new things and look differently. So their taste and preference may change on daily basis. So this has made a people to enter into a retail industry. In this way, there is growth in retail industry. Next, media explosions. Media is nothing but a television or a internet. So we know the product is advertised on the television or internet. Advertisement ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. So the consumer, those who are attracted to that particular product or those who are attracted to particular advertisement, they go to purchase that product. So lifestyle of a person depends on what he is grabbing out from a society or what he is taking out from a society or an environment. So, not only by seeing the advertisement, even on a television basis, media explosion, even you can take an example of serial. So, look of the heroines or heroes, what they are wearing, what type of dress they are wearing, what type of makeup they are putting on. So, this media has made a lot impact on a retail market. So, depending on that, what is shown in the television, what is there in the internet, the people are going on a purchase of such type of product. Last one, rise of consumerism. So we have said that we know that technology has improved, consumer taste has been changed, ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, consumer needs or taste and preference has changed, buying habit of a consumer in a retail sector. Rise in consumerism leads to consumer demand, convenience, comfort level, time, location. So all these are the factors which has made a growth in retail industries. So retail structure ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ it impacted on retail industry. So by all this way, it has made a retail industry grow.